Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create recurring events in Proton Calendar step by step. Recurring events are perfect for weekly meetings, monthly appointments, birthdays, classes, or any activity that happens on a regular schedule. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer, Android device, or iPhone, and sign in with your Proton account. Once your calendar loads, click or tap the New Event or plus button to create a new event. Next, enter the event details. Add a title, choose the event date, set the start and end times, and include a location or description if needed. Make sure all the basic information is correct before setting the event to repeat. Now, locate the repeat or recurring event option in the event settings. You can choose from common schedules such as daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. If your version of Proton Calendar supports it, you can also create a custom repeat schedule to match your specific needs. After selecting the recurrence pattern, decide whether the event should repeat forever or end after a certain date or number of occurrences. Review the settings carefully, then click or tap Save to create the recurring event. Once saved, Proton Calendar will automatically generate all future occurrences based on your selected schedule. If you ever need to make changes later, simply open one of the recurring events. You'll usually have the option to edit only that event or the entire series, depending on what you want to update. And that's it. You now know how to create recurring events in Proton Calendar and automatically schedule repeating meetings, appointments, and reminders. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. How to change